My name is Laura Latimer, and I'd like to give you a brief tour of my art installation at Dimension Gallery in Austin, Texas. The exhibition's title, On the Plight of the Primrose, pays homage to Darwin's On the Origin of Species, and also refers to a cousin of our own Texas native, the pink evening primrose. Experiments with the flower in the early 1900s stirred the debate between Darwin and his contemporaries over evolution, mutationism, and other theories to explain variation in species. The debate is no longer about the origin of mutations, but whether or not we as humans are the primary cause of genetic erosion in the natural world through our destructive actions. As indigenous species go extinct, will new variations evolve that are able to flourish in the broken landscapes left behind? With this exhibition, I offer you one possibility for nature's future. The former warehouse space of Dimensions Gallery seemed a perfect setting for oversized botanical sculptures to grow from a bed of common soil amendments mixed with concrete, salvaged steel, and demolition rubble I collected nearby. Hand-dyed silk adds a sense of delicate whimsy to these specimens, built from twisted scrap rebar, and also allows for subtle motion of smaller elements. The strangeness of this ecosystem is enhanced with moody lighting and a looping original soundtrack. Due to city sheltering orders, the gallery is currently closed. Please watch Dimensions posts on Facebook and Instagram for news on extended show dates, reopening of the gallery, or visiting by appointment. I hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour. Thank you.